Hello, welcome back everyone to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam, right here with you. So glad you're with us again.
You know, Sam, I have a confession to make. I walked past a bakery this morning and the smell. The smell. Fresh bread, croissants, something sweet with cinnamon. I couldn't resist.
I know that feeling. Bakeries are dangerous places for anyone trying to eat healthy. What did you get?
I got a pan au chocolat. It was still warm, absolutely perfect. And it got me thinking, there's so much language in a bakery.
There really is. All those different breads, pastries, cakes, and you have to know how to order, how to ask what's inside, how to say how many you want.
Today, our topic is English at the bakery. Whether you're buying a simple loaf of bread or a fancy cake for a celebration, we'll teach you everything you need to know.
We'll learn the names of common baked goods, how to order, how to ask questions, and what to say at the counter.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident walking into any bakery and getting exactly what you want.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. And whenever we use a word that might be hard to understand, we'll explain it right away.
So if you hear a word you don't know, don't worry. We've got you.
So, get comfortable. Let's start with the most important thing, the names of baked goods.
Let's begin with breads.
Bread, the most basic word. I'd like a loaf of bread.
Loaf, one whole piece of bread. A loaf of white bread.
Sliced bread, bread that's already cut into pieces. Can I have a loaf of sliced whole wheat?
Whole wheat, bread made with whole grains, healthier than white.
White bread, bread made with refined flour, softer.
Rye bread, a darker bread made with rye flour, common in some countries.
Sourdough, bread with a tangy taste, made with natural yeast.
Baguette, a long, thin loaf of French bread, very crusty.
Roll, a small, individual-sized bread. I'll have 2 dinner rolls.
Bun, similar to a roll, often slightly sweet, a hamburger bun.
Now let's move to pastries and sweet things.
Croissant, a flaky, buttery pastry in a crescent shape. A plain croissant, please.
Pan au chocolat, a croissant-like pastry with chocolate inside. Say pan au chocolat.
Danish, a sweet pastry with fruit or cheese in the middle.
Muffin, a small, round cake-like thing, often with blueberries, chocolate chips, or banana.
Scone, a slightly sweet, crumbly baked good, often eaten with tea and jam.
Cinnamon roll, a sweet roll with cinnamon and sugar, often with icing on top.
Donut or donut, a fried, sweet, ring-shaped cake, often with icing or sprinkles.
Bear claw, a large, sweet pastry shaped like a bear's foot, usually with almond filling.
Now let's talk about cakes and desserts.
Cake, the general word. I need a birthday cake.
Slice, a piece of cake. Can I have a slice of chocolate cake?
Whole cake, the entire cake. I'd like to order a whole cake for Saturday.
Cheesecake, cake made with cream cheese, very rich.
Cupcake, a small cake for one person, often with icing.
Pie, a baked dish with a crust and filling, like apple pie or pumpkin pie.
Tart, like a pie but shallower, often with fruit on top.
Brownie, a small, dense chocolate cake square.
Cookie, a small, flat, sweet baked good. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite.
Now let's learn some useful phrases for ordering.
When you walk in, the person at the counter might say, "Hi there, what can I get for you today? Next, please. How can I help you?"
You can say, I'd like. Can I have? I'll take. I'm looking for.
For example, I'd like a loaf of sourdough, please. Can I have 2 croissants and a pan au chocolat? I'll take a slice of cheesecake to go.
If you want more than one, use numbers. 1 baguette, please. 3 cinnamon rolls. Half a dozen cookies. That's 6. A dozen donuts. That's 12.
If you're not sure what something is, you can ask, what's in the Danish? Is the muffin blueberry or chocolate chip? What kind of pies do you have? Is this croissant plain or filled?
If you want something that's not on display, you can ask, do you have any gluten-free options? Gluten-free means no wheat. Do you make vegan cakes? Vegan means no animal products. Can I order a cake for Saturday?
Now let's talk about how to order for here or to go.
The cashier might ask, for here or to go?
For here means you'll eat it at the bakery. To go means you'll take it with you.
Answer, for here, please. To go. I'll take it to go.
If you're eating there, they might ask, would you like that heated up? Warmed.
You can say, yes, please. No, thank you.
Now let's talk about paying.
The cashier will tell you the total. That'll be $8.50, please.
You can pay with cash or card. Here you go. Can I pay by card?
They might ask, would you like a receipt?
You can say, yes, please. No, thank you.
Then they'll give you your items and say, here you go. Enjoy.
You can say, thank you. You too. Or just thanks.
Now, let's practice a full conversation.
Let's do it. I'll be the customer and you be the baker.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a loaf of sourdough, please, and 2 croissants.
Sure thing. Anything else?
What kind of muffins do you have?
Today we have blueberry, banana nut, and chocolate chip.
I'll take a blueberry muffin as well, for here.
Great. Would you like the croissants heated?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Perfect. Your total is $12.75.
Here's my card.
Thanks. Go ahead and tap. Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
Here's your food. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
See? Simple and natural.
Now, let's practice a conversation about ordering a special cake.
Hi, I'd like to order a cake for my daughter's birthday.
Of course. When do you need it?
This Saturday. She's turning 7.
Lovely. What kind of cake did you have in mind?
She loves chocolate. Maybe a chocolate cake with strawberry filling?
We can do that. Do you want any writing on it?
Yes. Can you write Happy Birthday, Lily?
Absolutely. What color icing?
Pink, please. She loves pink.
Perfect. How many people will it serve?
About 15 people.
Great. We'll have it ready for you Saturday morning.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll need a 50% deposit to confirm the order.
No problem. How much is that?
The cake is $45, so $22.50 deposit.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here's your receipt. Pick up any time after 9 a.m. on Saturday.
Perfect. Now you know how to order a special cake.
Now, let's learn some extra vocabulary that might be useful.
Fresh. Just made, not old. Is this bread fresh?
Warm. Freshly baked and still hot. I love warm croissants.
Crusty. With a hard, crunchy outside. A crusty baguette.
Soft. The opposite of crusty. Soft dinner rolls.
Flaky. With thin layers that come apart. Flaky pastry.
Buttery. With a lot of butter. Buttery croissant.
Sweet. With sugar. Sweet cinnamon roll.
Savory. Not sweet. With salt or herbs. Savory scone with cheese.
Filling. What's inside? What's the filling in this Danish?
Icing. Sweet coating on top. Cinnamon roll with white icing.
Sprinkles. Little colored candies on top.
Gluten-free. Made without wheat for people with allergies.
Vegan. Made without animal products. No milk, eggs, or butter.
Now, let's bring back Maya. Maya is at a bakery for the first time in an English-speaking country.
Maya loves bread. She wants to try everything, but she's a little nervous.
She walks in and the smell is amazing. She takes a deep breath and looks at the display case.
There are so many things. Croissants, muffins, cakes, breads. She doesn't know what half of them are.
But she remembers. It's okay to ask. She points at a round, golden thing.
Excuse me, what is that?
The baker smiles. That's a Danish, but has cream cheese and fruit in the middle.
It looks delicious. I'll take one, please. And also a loaf of that brown bread.
The whole wheat? Sure. Anything else?
Do you have any cookies?
Yes, right here. Chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, and sugar.
I'll take 2 chocolate chip cookies. For here.
Great. Your total is $9.25. Would you like everything heated?
Just the Danish, please.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. Maya sits down with her Danish and coffee. She feels proud. She did it.
Now, here's your challenge for this week.
Go to a bakery and order something in English.
Even if you're in your own country, pretend the baker only speaks English, or find a bakery where they actually do.
Order something simple. A loaf of bread, please. Or something fun. A croissant and a coffee.
If you can't go to a bakery, practice at home. Look at pictures of baked goods online and say their names out loud.
You can also practice with a friend. One of you is the baker, one of you is the customer.
Then come back and tell us in the comments. What did you order? How did it feel?
We read every comment. We love hearing about your progress.
Remember, bakeries are happy places. The people who work there are usually friendly and love what they do.
So don't be shy. Ask questions, try new things, and enjoy the delicious results.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep eating delicious bread.
And hey, before you go, if this episode made you hungry and more confident, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these deliciously practical episodes.
Yes, please, and leave us a comment. Tell us what's your favorite thing to buy at a bakery. We'd love to know.
We read every comment. Your answers make us hungry.
Subscribe, comment, and share. It helps more learners enjoy bakeries in English.
Thanks again, everyone. Now go get something delicious.
Bye.